Here we learn about Py function returns. So in any Python function, right, we can use without any function, like we can just use prints and all, but whatever the calculation or string manipulation or anything, we can return like this. So return is the keyword used for the a plus b. Whenever that function is used, like here we are giving the add 30 comma 5, right? In this arguments are passed, two parameters are passed. So that one will return a plus b as a directly indirectly math we are doing as expression at the return place. So that will be directly will be coming and sitting on the variable age, right? So like this, whatever other functions also we can return, or we can do some lengthy calculation or lengthy processing of the data inside a function, and finally whichever we want to return, right, that we can return here. So these function directly can be used in wherever we want these values, right? So directly that can be replaced, or directly we can use through variable, or we can give through the add 30 comma 5, like that also we can keep the wherever it is required.